Usually whenever I come out to nature, I feel like it's all planned. And I'm tired of it. So typically, I bring things like my yoga mat, I wear hiking boots, or, well, let me stop lying. I've only had hiking boots for like a couple of months, and I've pretty much only worn them a couple of times. Right now I'm in my rain boots because, well, I didn't expect to come here, and they go with every outfit, so you can't convince me otherwise. You know, I feel like me not having much of anything here has made it so I could actually enjoy it. Otherwise, I'm like hauling things here or there. Nobody wants to haul shit. I mean, that's why they invented trucks, so we don't have to carry shit from place to place, right? I'm expecting to see a snake. I've invoked the power of her. I've asked her to go away many times because I was scared of seeing one. Even though every time I've seen one, I've never been scared of a snake. In fact, one time when I was at a park in, where was I? Mississippi. Molly and I were walking along this little path, and there was a snake that passed, or a snake that came, right? This snake was a big old buddy. Not like huge, but a good 3 feet, 4 feet, something like that. Pretty long, right? And like, I recognized the colors. They were black and gray, and I halfway feel like that's a bad one, but whenever I looked at her, she wasn't striking. She looked at me, we made eye contact, and I said, "You can go." And instead of continuing, she stopped. She let us pass. She didn't get in a striking position or anything like that. And we walked along. That was towards the beginning of me opening positively Kimberly. Snakes represent shedding of skin. They represent evolution. They represent things dating back to your DNA. They represent choosing your words wisely and understanding what you're going to say. Snakes represent a mystical, magical essence in the world. And from that moment on, I can't deny that there was one. There was one before, but afterwards, whew, there was so much more. I've been in a rhymey mood today. It's in my soul. What can I say?